Good morning, guys. It is time for us to move into Life and Career Quest. We are continuing on our Career Clusters unit. So please remember, if you are at the Explore point, you have finished your Career Cluster tests. Today, I didn't actually create the button. Today, what you're going to do is you're going to be working on Explore. So for Explore, or our second step of this project, you're going to choose two of the careers that you are interested in from all the tests you took, right? So just pick any two, right? Your top two, preferably. And what we're going to be doing today is you're going to be using your Explore document attached to the assignment today to go ahead and do some research. So here is our Explore document. So you're going to type your career choice. So let's say Ms. Wolf wants to be a teacher, TACHER, right? Job description, what do you do? What responsibilities do you have? So in order to find that out, I need to go here. And what I've actually done is you guys have education, so places where you can look at the careers, and then you have education and training. So this is what you need to get that education to potentially have that career, right? So my favorite one here is career tools, right? This was at that My Careers that we used as one of our tests, and it actually breaks everything down into career clusters, right? So I can go ahead, I can hit human services, let's say, child care workers. So this is by level of, these are on here, they're grouped by level of education needed. So these are things that you can do with just a high school diploma. These are things that you can do with less than a year of training and certification. And these are all things that you have to do with more than 1 to 3 years of education, right? So preschool teachers are here, right? I can go back. Nope. Oh my goodness, Miss Wolf. No, what happened? Sorry, I have way too many tabs open. I know, shocker. So I'm going to go back on exit out. All right, so let's see. Maybe we can look at. So actually, this one, guys, this doesn't have all the careers out there. It only has a couple. So feel free to go ahead and kind of click through. You can see they have sections with advanced degrees for plus years. But this is only one of actually a bunch that I have. ONET Online is also a really good one, right? So you can find your occupation. So you can just go ahead, search by career cluster, industry, right? STEM. You can go an occupation search. So say I want to do teacher, TACHER. And here's going to bring up all the different types of teachers. This is probably going to give you the most comprehensive look at each of the careers that you're interested in. So now what I can do is I can go here and I can select which one I'm interested in, right? So look what Ms. Wolf actually does. Right? So then I can go through, I can read this. It's going to give me all that information that I need to know, including interests, work styles, work values, right? And then all that you're going to do, guys, is you're going to use these tools to fill in this document. So your career choices first, then you're going to give a description of what you do, what responsibilities you have. You're going to circle one of these. You can circle, you can bold and underline, right? So let's say I need at least a bachelor's degree, right? So I could do that in that way. You can even change the color or highlight it, right? You don't actually have to circle. I'm going to delete all of this because you guys are going to be editing this document. Oh my gosh. All right. How long would your education or training cost or last? So how long do you have to train or educate yourself for? All right. And then here we have below, if you're going to college, what would be your focus of study and what type of courses would you take? So you would fill in the A box. Or B, if training for a technical occupation, vocational work, or the military, what would your training be like and what would you be learning about? So you're going to fill in the B box. Okay. How much would your education cost? Education or training cost? Do you require any additional certifications or licensures before beginning work? What is your salary range? Where would you work, and what are your hours like? You're going to do that twice. So once for each career. Okay. Now, here's the key piece I want you to remember. While you're editing this document, the formatting is going to be super wonky. I do not care about that. Do not worry about making the formatting look good. It's not going to look good. I'm going to have to go back later and edit it myself. Mostly because in order for it to look like the way that it does right now, I had to do some wonky editing. That's why you guys have these table boxes to type your answers in. That way it's easier for me to find. So please know that if your formatting gets wonky, I do not care. I do not need it to look perfect. I can go through and I can fix any editing, any formatting when I go through to check your work. Okay. So this is what you guys are going to work on probably today and Friday, or next week. Probably you might go into a little bit, but that's everything that I have for you guys today. I hope you're doing well. Bye.